Gianni.
Yeah.
We need to move up to the sheds out of 12.
Do they have anyone on our left?
The sheds? Yeah, I think now will be our best chance. Do you want to stay here and lay down cover while me and him rush? Alright, we'll cover you. Whenever you cover us and then we'll cover you.
Watch left, left, left! Get down! I hear fire. Oh, friendly.
That's a friendly.
My bad, guys.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah. What? We just took the building right in front of us, and I'm keeping them
Johnny,
covered.
we got you covered.
That's a good spot, and your barrel's jammed up. Shoot. There you go.
Can you see me right here?
Whoa, 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 watch it!
Oh my god. Can you get him? Alright, I'm hopping down with you. Oh.
He's not letting us in is the thing because we won last game.
Is that admin in the center an enemy?
Hey! That was right in the camera. Dead man walking!
I'm gonna move on the left just a little bit. They're on the buildings to the right by the truck with the canvas cover. Go. Oh. Watch out! Objective! Objective! He took it for sure. Hey! Did you get him? Nope. Damn. Friendly down. That guy's a bitch. That guy on top of the ridge. He's just sitting there, and then like whenever he feels like it, he'll pull his gun out and shoot us. Got him. Yeah, there was an enemy that was shooting to the left, so I'm assuming. Oh, do you see his little helmet sticking out over there? Yeah. Yeah, it's his helmet. Hey, Joe. Enemy on the ridge on the right side, and you can see his helmet sticking out clear as day. Do you see him?
He's out of range for me.
You might have to get around.
Dude, come over here. Ah, shit. He might just see you automatically.
I could run across the street and just get
so
shot
he's
at.
to the right.
I don't think he has a line of sight from here.
Do you think you can come over here?
Alright, and you can either try just slipping around the corner, or if you need me to, I can run across the street.
Okay, good. Just to the right of that wood.
If he's pulling some movie crap where he like plants his helmet, what? Hello.
Hello. What's up with it?
Hey, nothing. They just keep shooting at it.
Well, if they can't have it, nobody can.
Yeah. Sounds like we got movement.
Here, I might move up there. Provide cover and I'll move up here. The car. Yeah. Yeah.
This guy? You need to call your heads, okay? He's hit you 3 times.
When was I hit? Yeah, I just got here, like 30 seconds
You sure
ago.
He's only been here about 30 seconds. Ryan, he's only been here 30 seconds.
He just slid in. Like, he just got here.
Yeah, I did. I was unaware I was hit. I'll go out.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, my bad. Didn't know I was hit. I didn't feel it. Yeah, sorry.
Like I explained in the briefing, it's
Yeah.
you know, 3 layers of clothes, you got plate carrier.
Yeah, sometimes you just don't feel it. Yeah, it's all good.
Baby. They have us pinned. There's a guy behind a
Truck?
Yeah, they're still by the truck building. Where are they going?
I don't know. Doing their own thing. We need to push back up to that shed.
How many people do we got here? Oh, this is good.
All right. So,
Ben, get up here.
We're 3 more plus.
Ben, Gianni,
Watch out, watch out.
Hey, get up here.
you and Gianni are gonna lay down suppressive fire while the rest of us rush those sheds.
You guys might not want to start from this hill.
We're gonna take cover behind this shed and the one right next to it.
If
Alright.
Alright.
Who has left shed? Left shed. Need another person.
Which way is left?
It's this shed directly in front of us, the one with the wanted sign on it, by the red car. One other guy.
Whoa, Carmack's already gone. Well, I guess there's the other volunteer.
Alright.
Fuck it. Suppressive fire.
Watch your shoulder!
Go, go, go!
Go, 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 go!
Run.
Go! Get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Alright, that's good, that's good. Watch your watch
Guys,
your
is there
head!
a loose magazine over there?
Watch out in the trees across the village!
Raj! Here. I'm moving to this shed right here. Ben!
Oh, slip. You setting up?